Hey guys, this is Tony W. I'm going to do a full review of this mid-century modern sofa couch that's 71 inches wide. Now, I needed a couch for my small space, so this was perfect for the size. It also came in a box and it was very simple to install and build and assemble. It was took about roughly 40 minutes to build. I did do some modifications to this thing to make it a lot more sturdy than it was. It had all the tools and hardware it needs to install. Like I said, it took about 40 minutes. And it's basically a composite of metal framing and like a wooden arm. The arms are wooden and also the feet's wooden. But I love the fact that the fabric feels so good and the pillows stay in place. But overall, the backing is just made of a metal frame wrapped in fabric. The front is pretty good in terms of the wooden arms. It feels really sturdy. Now, the reason why I got this was because of the cushions. The cushions had pocket coil springs in there, as well as springs on the base, which I really like. It gives a lot of support for it and feels really firm. I did do some mods. I basically shoved black towels into the between the base and also the framing of the sofa, so that it removes any play. There was a lot of play between the board and the sofa, so by shoving towels in it or small towels in it, it not only deadens a lot of the sound, but deadens a lot of the play between the boards. I did screw everything down and made sure all the machine bolts were nice and tight. But overall, I love how they put the effort into the cushions and the fabric. It feels really good. It feels like a much more higher quality, sofa that would probably be a lot more pricier if I had to order it and have it shipped. So very firm cushions, good springs, good fabric. They basically put good quality of where you need to have it. But overall, that this is a frame of metal and wood, so it's very lightweight. And for me sleeping on this, I slept on this a few days. While watching TV, it is super comfortable for me, and it is small. It is a smaller couch. It's meant for apartments and small spaces, but as you can see, it's just covered with fabric and it's very bare bones in terms of a metal frame and a thing, but from the outside you don't really feel it, and when you sit down you really don't feel it either, but it is super lightweight, so you can actually move this around. Now I did put some felt pads on the bottom of the wooden feet so it doesn't scratch up my floors, but overall this is an awesome value. Anyways guys, this is Tony W. I hope you found this useful and helpful, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye.